What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. All right, I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1L, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. All right. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right. So don't get fooled by none of these fake scam King Hustle pages. All right. If any King Hustle randomly writes you saying you want to make some money, you trying to buy this, you trying to buy that, or anything like that, red flag. That's not me. I will never write you trying to get you to buy or spend or buy anything from me. All right. And before you send your money, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, today video, it's early in the morning. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm up dropping gems. We're going to get it started. We're going to start getting these videos pushed out real bright and early from now on. No more waiting late. I know I'll be busy, but that's no excuse for me to hold back from the fans, right? Y'all need this information, so I'm gonna be the one to give it to y'all. I'm gonna be pushing these videos out back to back to back, because we're gonna turn up this production company. All right, so today we're talking about how to get approved for a loan, a high limit loan, because a lot of people out there be watching these videos, when I drop the bad credit loans, the signature loans, the payday loans, the installment loans, the second chance loans, all these different type of loans, and a lot of people comment, I didn't get approved. I didn't get approved. Oh, I didn't get approved. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get approved for these loans. I'm going to show you and give you all the details that you need to know in order to get all the money and all the loans, credit cards, and lines of credit that you need to succeed, point blank, period. All right, so I'm going to put it to you like this. First of all, personal loans aren't even good to get. Anything you're doing, if you're trying to get any type of loan or anything like that, you should always do it on your business side, because it's easier for you to get high limit loans period, on your business, vice versa on your personal. But a lot of people do get personal loans on their personal side. So if you're 25 or under, point blank period, loans, these lenders, these banks, these loans aren't for you. These banks and lenders do not want to lend you any money because you're young, you don't have a credit, your credit profile isn't, 9 times out of 10 isn't aged, you don't have a lot going on, and they just don't like lending money to young adults, point blank period. So if you're 25 or under, yes, you're going to have a hard time getting these loans unless you have your business in order. Now, a lot of people ask me, what do you mean by have your business in order? What do you mean by that? Well, what do I mean by that is having a job, having your paychecks being direct deposited into your bank account, actually having a bank account, checking and savings, having pay stubs, having bank statements, having trade lines on your credit. And what are trade lines? A lot of people don't know what trade lines are. Trade lines can be anything that you're open account that you're paying on. So it could be if you go to Best Buy and pay on a TV or a game system or furniture or credit cards or anything account that you're paying on, that you're paying off. Point blank period is a trade line. All right. So you got all these trade lines on your account. You got so a lot of people, when they turn 18, they get cars in their names. A lot of people, they make the payments, and that's good. You're aging your profile. Getting a car when you turn 18, putting 500 down, getting a job, and making your monthly payments is perfect, because now you're making exceptional payment history on a trade line, probably a $30,000 trade line, and that's good. And it's an auto trade line, which is perfect. So now you're aging your trade line. So now you got $30,000 in debt. Boom. Getting it in school is another good thing to age your profile too, because now you're getting student loans and student grants. So now these are going to be on your credit profile. You're aging your credit report, and this is good. But a lot of people don't go to school. A lot of people don't have those loans, so you got to get trade lines on your account. And like I told you, it's a lot of different places for you to go to get trade lines. You can go to Incredible, you can go to Ava, Credit Strong, you name it. Any bill that you're paying, you need to add that to your account. Basically any bill that you're paying, you need to basically add it to your account. Why? Because there's no reason that you should be behind on credit when you could be having more credit. You paying rent, you paying the cell phone bill, electricity bill, gas bill, Hulu, Netflix, HBO, any of those type of bills, you can add that to your credit report and add those as trade lines and then start adding points to your credit profile. You gotta it's a such thing as good debt and bad debt on your credit profile. The good debt is if you got $80,000 in debt. And what I mean by $80,000 in debt, that means just say you got a $50,000 car loan, you got $5,000 to $10,000 in credit cards, you got trade lines that you added from all these different websites, and it's accumulated to $80,000, and you're making exceptional payments because these trade lines that you added from these accounts, these sites, is being the payments are being direct deposited from your account, so you ain't got to worry about that. Boom, this trade, your car payment that you got, those payments from that loan is being direct deposited out your account, so you ain't got to worry about missing a payment on that. Everything is being direct deposited out your account, so you won't miss a payment and you have exceptional payment history. And once they see that, they're going to say, okay, cool, boom, you got good payment history. You got all these trade lines on. They're going to see you got a car loan for $40,000, $50,000, $30,000 on your report, and you making good payments. You got all these credit cards on your report, and you making payments on time. You got these trade lines on your report, and you making payments on time. That is how you get approved for a loan, high limit loan. You got to handle your business. You got to make these payments. You got to make payments, and you got to make money in order to do that. So everybody out there that's trying to get these bad credit loans, second chance loans, signature loans, it's possible for you to get approved, but it's even more possible if you got your business in order. And even if you're self-employed, make sure you got your pay stubs, make sure you got your W-2s, your 1099s, and your bank statements, because sometimes they ask for that, sometimes they don't. But if they do, you already got what you need to turn it in, and they can see that, and you can have a better chance of getting approved. Point blank period. And like I said, bad credit loan sites and credit unions and small banks will give you a loan faster than these bigger banks and bigger lenders. Point blank period. There's nothing else easier to say about it. So stop trying to go for these major lenders and major banks to get approved for these major loans. If I'm dropping these bad credit sites and lenders, stick to those, because you will have a better chance of getting approved. But like I said, you want to focus more on getting loans on your business side, because you'll get those faster, like this, faster than a business loan. A personal loan, because on the business side, you can start you an LLC today, build it and all that stuff, and in 2 to 3 days, done a Bradstreet number, all that, boom. Add you a couple net 30s, net 60s, and then in a month, you can be getting you a $20,000, $30,000 business loan. And you can be 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Age don't matter. You can buy C Corps to age. You can buy age corps to add to your LLC and piggyback off that. It's a lot of different things that you can do, and I'm going to make some videos on that in a second. So make sure y'all stay tuned for those Age Corp videos. Make sure y'all stay tuned for them trade line videos that I'm about to be dropping, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of sauce. Make sure y'all tapping in and following the King Hussle 2.0 channel, because I got a lot of good sauce I'm dropping on that channel too. The other good sauce that y'all like to hear. So make sure y'all go follow, subscribe, and hit the all notification bell on there too. And I'm about to be dropping a lot of new music. I'm about to get back to it. I've been working on a lot of beats. Y'all know I'm a producer too. I make beats. So make sure y'all go follow King Hussle X1, because I'm about to be dropping new music and music videos. So y'all know y'all gotta go rock out to that. Also, make sure you follow my King Hussle reaction video channel, King Hussle Crazy Reactions. About to be dropping some new reaction videos. tune in to that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on that. Also, make sure you go follow and subscribe and hit the notification bell and turn motivation into means, because I'm motivating anybody and everybody who need it. It's a lot of people out there that don't got that motivation. It's a lot of people who don't got people behind them. It's a lot of people who don't got nobody to believe in them. But it's okay, because King Hussle, yes, me, I believe in you. Anybody can do it, because if I can, you can. We all got our own problems. We all got our own lane. We all got our own way of living. So let's just all turn it into a positive, make it come out great, and we all be successful. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, subscribers, new subscribers, supporters, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained, and y'all motivate me to keep dropping these videos. So I'm going to keep doing that. All right, so shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all can get y'all lessons, all right? FaceTime one-on-one lessons. Basic lessons is $500. Advanced lessons is $1,000. And unlimited gems is $2,000, all right? All FaceTime one-on-one calls. Book your seat right now on the Crypto Tour. In-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. So if I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. You come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit to book your date and your seat on the tour, all right? And once we meet in person, you pay the rest of the money, all right? Also, I'm looking for people for the production company. Still looking for people, talented people. So you do music out there, music reviews is $200, all right? So once you pay $200, you send me what you got, we're going to chop it up. Ain't no time limit. We're going to just have a good conversation. I'm going to tell you the honest to God truth, so be prepared for that. If you're not willing to invest $200 into yourself, why should I or anyone else invest $200,000 into you in your career? Make it make sense. You're not going to be able to go to none of these other A&Rs, none of these other record labels, nowhere else and play, hey, I'm the next big thing, I got a hit, none of that. You're not going to be able to do it. So tap in, because H&E, we got a lot of big things coming and a lot of good distribution coming. So make sure you tap in. You never know, great things happen. Also, models, any beautiful woman out there, you looking to elevate, you looking to become a real queen, you looking to really put yourself in a position to win, tap in with me. I'm going to show you how to really elevate. I'm going to show you how to be a real queen. If you got a good head on your shoulders, don't got a bad attitude, I'm going to show you how to do podcasts. I'm going to show you how to do YouTube. I'm going to show you how to model. I'm going to put you in a position to do music videos. Let's say you do 5 music videos a day for $200. That's $1,000 just for looking pretty in somebody's video. Let's say you do that 5 days out the week. That's 5 G's you just made just from being in the videos. And that's just examples. You're going to be doing so much work, and you're going to be working hard, investing, all that, and be blessed. So make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. Point blank, period. All right, so ladies, make sure you tap in on that. Producers, tap in. You good with them beats, tap in. Cameraman, you got a good camera, you good with them edits, you code with them edits, tap in with me. If you in Houston, Texas, or if you're in surrounding areas or can travel, tap in. Content creators, you got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube and 2,000 watch time hours. 2,000 watch time hours. Tap in with me. I'm going to help you elevate. I'm going to help you grow your channel. We're going to make money together, and we're going to win together, all right? Also, anybody out there that want to start making $90,000 a month, $100,000 a month, $10,000, $20,000 a month in passive income off YouTube, where you do not have to show your face or do anything. All you gotta do is post videos. It's called YouTube automation. For $500, I will show you and help you how to create your channel. For $1,000, I will literally create the channel for you, add 5 videos, SEOs, tags, and help you manage the channel for $1,000 and help you start generating passive income every month. All right, so I'm giving people the opportunity to tap in with me, work with me, and make money with me the right way, and a whole lot of money. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to win. It's your boy King Hussle. We starting this day off right. What is today? It's Wednesday, March 1st. We started off right, and we're gonna get to this money. All right, it's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you next video. Peace.